purchased 2 pigs of our own. We've gotten 4 rescue pigs. So we have 6 potbellies. Oh, here, want another one? People think that pigs eat a lot. It's amazing. They don't need nearly what you would think. This is how much 3 of the small pigs get twice a day. So we split this between 3 pigs. That's how little they eat. You've seen our big pigs. They're a couple 100 pounds apiece. Twice a day. That feeds 3 large pigs. Understand and realize they spend a lot of their time rooting around and eating other stuff, and they'll eat the snacks that all the other animals. But in terms of their dietary needs, that's what we would give them in a day. And we think pigs, we think fat. A pig is not a fat animal. Sometimes it gets a big belly on it, like our potbellies, but that neck is all muscle. That is a strong animal. That is not it's not a smushy, gushy, fatso of an animal. It is all solid meat. These people think they're just fat. They are not just fat. They can have fat on them, but they are a very strong animal, and you will never catch a pig unless it wants to be caught. I can tell you that. You can hang on for dear life all you want, and a pig is going to take you for a ride. Here's a point that's worth making. Hi, Carl. Baby pigs, when you get a little pig, is so cute because it's teeny tiny. Now, Carl, he's full grown. He's teeny tiny. When they bought him, he could have turned out to be like Izzy, 200 pounds. He just didn't. Both of them were bought as potbelly, probably teacup pigs or small pigs. A mini pig is up to 200 pounds. So if you think you want a mini pig, recognize a 200-pound pig. You don't tell it what to do. It tells you what to do. Well, this is Siggy and Ziggy. We got them as babies, brothers. Hi, guys. They're both amazing pigs, super sweet, super friendly. But look at how big he is compared to him.
You just don't know what you're going to get?
Just don't know what you're going to get? They're actually really clean animals. They do not smell.
Oh, okay.
People think, oh, it's a stinky, smelly, roll around in the mud kind of thing. So when they roll in the mud, much like chickens in dust bathing, and they fluff around in the dirt, and the dirt actually cleans their fur and their skin. A pig does the same thing. It rolls around in the mud, and then the mud dries on it, and as it falls off, it pulls all of that off of their skin. So, like, if you were to smell him, as dirty as his face, he actually doesn't smell. A dog smells way worse than a pig ever smells. But because it's a pig, we think, ooh, it's a dirty, stinky, smelly animal. It's technically not. People buy pigs to have as an indoor pet, but you have to realize it has a nature, and its nature is to dig. Look at how dirty his nose is, because he's rooting and he's snorting around and he's crawling under the hay and he's all of that. You can't put him in your basement and expect that he's going to act like a dog. He's not going to act like a dog. He's a pig. And as a result of being a pig, he wants to do pig stuff. Sometimes when we're running around, we got to watch, because if the dog food's out, he'll eat a whole bowl of dog food, and a small pig like that, it's not a good idea. If they break into the food, they'll eat until they die. They have no shut-off. And as a pig gets bigger, if it's 50, 60, 70, 80 pounds, it can break the cupboards. It can get in. So if you think it's going to act like a dog, it's not. It's a pig. It's motivated by food and food alone. Not about getting petted, not about anything. It's about food.
Hi, you. You have yellow eyelashes. Hi, Snorty.
Hey, out. Frankie, let's go, Frankie. Nope, you're going out. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy, let's go. No, I'll feed you. Go on, out. A full-size pig can get up to about 800 pounds. Frankie, let's go, out. Frankie. Frankie, come on. See, I talked about it. He's ornery. Come on, let's go, out. Come on, out. You know where to go. Go, go, go. Good boy.